Luke, I am your father. Just kidding. This is my newfangled laser welding mask, and it is different than any other welding mask. And the company explained to me that this new laser process will go right through a traditional welding shield. So that's just a little FYI for anybody that's playing with one of these. You need to have the right eye protection, because the spectrum of light that comes from this laser welding process is different than other types of welding for some reason or another, and it will go right through your shield. So keep that in mind. But anyway, I'm gonna do a quick video so y'all can see what it looks like point of view with this new laser welding process. It's pretty neat. So check it out. Y'all have a good day.